Before we select our core classes, I want to quickly review graduation requirements. This information is located on page 4 of the CEPG. Students are encouraged to look at the credit summary located at the bottom right-hand corner of their transcript, which was mailed home recently. All current freshmen and sophomores need to select one English, one math, one science, and a social studies course. Students who failed a core class will be recommended to make up those credits in summer school and should select the course that they should be taking based on the core class progression. Students should reach out to their current teachers if they have any questions about a specific course progression. Business and Technology Academy students may also refer to page 17 in the CEPG as a guide for recommended classes. Please note those courses that include an asterisk are college level courses.